Did you know that Australia is not only a country but an entire continent, home to some of the oldest cultures and the most unique wildlife on Earth? Australia is a land of extremes, wonders, contradictions, and surprises. From ancient cultures older than civilization to landscapes and wildlife found nowhere else on Earth, this vast continent defies expectations at every turn. Whether you're fascinated by nature, history, science, or culture, Australia delivers some of the world's most astonishing facts, many of which seem almost unbelievable. But how much do you really know about Australia beyond the beaches and kangaroos? What if some facts about this country could completely change the way you see it? In this countdown, we explore 10 mind-blowing facts about Australia that will change how you think about this extraordinary country. Number 10. Australia is the only country that is also a continent. Let's begin with one of the most fascinating and fundamental facts about Australia. It is not just a country, it is an entire continent. In fact, it holds a unique position in the world, as the only continent governed entirely by a single nation. While the other 6 continents are made up of multiple countries with diverse governments, cultures, and borders, Australia combines the entire landmass under one political system, creating a rare and remarkable situation in global geography. Spanning nearly 7.7 million square kilometres, Australia is the 6th largest country in the world, yet its population is concentrated in a few major cities along the coast. The vast interior, known as the Outback, stretches for thousands of kilometres with sparse human settlement, emphasising the continent's immense scale. This enormous size results in dramatic geographical contrasts that are unmatched anywhere else. Travellers can witness lush tropical rainforests teeming with life, pristine beaches with crystal clear waters, arid deserts that seem to stretch endlessly under the sun, and expansive plains dotted with unique wildlife. These diverse landscapes make Australia not only geographically impressive, but also ecologically and culturally fascinating, offering a wealth of experiences that cannot be found anywhere else in the world. Did you know one country could also be an entire continent? Number 9. Home to the world's oldest continuous culture. Australia is one of the rare places on Earth where human habitation stretches back tens of thousands of years, offering a remarkable window into the origins of human culture. Archaeological evidence reveals that Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples have lived continuously on the continent for at least 50,000 years, making their culture the oldest surviving continuous civilization in the world. This longevity is not just a matter of historical record, it is a living tradition that continues to shape Australian life today. The depth of this history is preserved in a variety of forms. Ancient rock art, found in places like Kakadu National Park, provides vivid depictions of ceremonies, wildlife, and dreamtime stories that have been passed down through countless generations. Oral traditions and songs encode complex knowledge about the land, the sea, seasonal cycles, and the behavior of animals, reflecting a profound ecological understanding honed over millennia. Festivals such as the Laura Dance Festival celebrate this heritage, offering a vibrant sensory experience of dance, music, and storytelling that connects the past to the present. Visiting these sites or learning from Indigenous custodians offers more than just insight. It is an encounter with a culture that has survived, adapted, and flourished over tens of thousands of years, revealing a depth of human experience unlike anywhere else on the planet. Can you imagine a culture surviving for over 50,000 years? Number 8. More kangaroos than people. Australia's wildlife is not only iconic but also astonishingly abundant, offering some of the most unique animal encounters on the planet. One particularly mind-blowing fact is that kangaroos outnumber humans in the country, with estimates suggesting nearly 2 kangaroos for every person. These marsupials are more than just numbers, they are a national symbol, proudly featured on the Australian coat of arms, currency, and in imagery recognised around the world. Yet for many Australians, kangaroos are not just symbolic, they are an everyday part of life. At dawn and dusk, it's common to see them grazing in fields, hopping across open plains, or even wandering near roads. While tourists may find their sheer abundance surprising, locals regard them as a natural and familiar presence. This coexistence between humans and wildlife reflects Australia's remarkable biodiversity, where unique animals thrive across a wide range of landscapes from deserts and grasslands to forests and coastal regions, making the continent a living showcase of evolutionary wonders. Would you believe there are more kangaroos than people in Australia? Number 7. Unique animals you won't find anywhere else. Australia's isolation has allowed evolution to take a wildly original path. About 80% of its mammals, reptiles, and amphibians are found nowhere else on the planet, including the iconic platypus and short-beaked echidna, 2 of the only 5 mammals on Earth that lay eggs. Other extraordinary creatures include koalas, wombats, cassowaries, and Tasmanian devils, each with distinctive traits and adaptations. These animals aren't just cute or unusual, they represent millions of years of independent evolutionary history. Which of these unique Australian animals would you most want to see in real life? Number 6. The Great Barrier Reef is so big, it can be seen from space. Stretching for more than 2,300 kilometres off the coast of Queensland, the Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system in the world, and the biggest living structure on Earth. Composed of thousands of individual reefs and islands, It supports an astonishing array of marine life, including more than 1,500 species of fish and hundreds of coral types. Its sheer size is so enormous that the reef can be seen with the naked eye from space, a testament to Australia's natural grandeur. Number 5. Australia has more beaches than you can imagine. When it comes to coastline, few countries in the world can rival Australia. The continent boasts over 10,000 beaches, more than any other nation, stretching across its vast eastern, western, and southern shores. Each beach offers a unique experience, from the world-famous surf breaks of Bondi Beach in New South Wales to the serene, untouched white sands of Cable Beach in Western Australia. Whether you are an adrenaline-seeking surfer chasing giant waves, a family looking for a relaxing day by calm waters, or a traveller chasing breathtaking sunsets, Australia's beaches cater to every type of visitor. These beaches are more than just scenic landscapes, they are central to Australian culture and identity. Surfing, beach sports and coastal festivals have shaped social traditions, while tourism and local economies thrive along these iconic shores. In every sense, Australia's coastline is not only a natural wonder, but also a defining feature of the nation itself, reflecting its lifestyle, history, and global appeal. Number 4. The oldest rainforest on Earth exists here. Australia's natural history is ancient and awe-inspiring. In Queensland lies the Daintree Rainforest, a place that's more than 180 million years old. This incredible ecosystem predates the separation of continents, and has remained largely intact for longer than most other forests on the planet. It's a treasure trove of biodiversity containing thousands of plant, insect, bird and reptile species, many of which are found nowhere else. The Daintree isn't just biologically significant, it's like a living museum, offering scientists and visitors alike a window into Earth's ancient ecological past. Number 3. Australia's longest fence is longer than the Great Wall. While natural wonders dominate Australia's list of curiosities, some human-made records are just as staggering. The Dingo Fence, also called the Dog Fence, stretches 5,614 kilometres across 3 states, Queensland, New South Wales and South Australia. Originally constructed in the late 19th century to protect farmland from wild dogs and dingoes, the fence is now one of the longest structures on Earth, even surpassing the length of the Great Wall of China. This colossal barrier dramatically alters ecosystems and remains a remarkable feat of engineering, showcasing how humans have reshaped the continent's landscape. Number 2. You can find the world's largest living fossils here. In Western Australia's Shark Bay, one of the planet's most ancient life forms still thrives. There, living stromatolites, microbial structures similar to some of the earliest life on Earth, continue to grow in unique hypersaline waters. These layered microbial mats date back more than 3.5 billion years, making them older than the earliest known fossils of complex life, and offering a rare glimpse into Earth's distant biological past. Scientists study them not only for what they reveal about early life on our planet, but also for clues that could inform astrobiology and the search for life on other worlds. Number 1. There are more than 35 million kangaroos, and they are just the beginning. At the top of our list is a highly surprising reality. Australia's wildlife population is astonishingly rich and abundant. Beyond having more kangaroos than people, the continent is home to unique ecosystems that have evolved in isolation for millions of years. From the famed marsupials and monotremes to unique genetic lineages like the lungfish, a living fossil from 350 million years ago, Australia's biological makeup is unlike almost anywhere else. Perhaps even more incredible is the diversity of environments in one landmass. Deserts, tropical rainforests, snowy mountains, coastal coral reefs, and ancient plateaus all exist within a single country. These varied biomes host animals and plants adapted to extreme heat, dry conditions, or dense forest ecosystems. This blend of rarity, isolation, and diversity means that Australia's natural world continues to yield discoveries, new species, ancient fossils, and geological wonders that keep scientists and explorers endlessly fascinated. Australia is far more than beaches and kangaroos, though those are mind-blowing in their own right. This continent blends deep human history, staggering natural diversity, living fossils, mysterious wildlife, and astonishing geography into a place that continually surprises and delights. From the oldest rainforests and the world's largest coral reef to ecosystems found nowhere else, the facts above show how Australia defies expectations at every turn. These aren't just fun curiosities, they reveal the story of a land shaped by isolation, resilience, and evolution over immense spans of time. Whether you're planning to visit, study, or simply learn more about the world, Australia promises discoveries that will make you look at our planet in a completely new way. If you love uncovering amazing facts and exploring the world's wonders, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss our next mind-blowing video.